Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. I'll be guiding you on how to share Reels on Instagram Story in this tutorial. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the Reel icon at the bottom right. Now choose any Reel that you want to share. Then tap on the Share icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will get the option to share the reel to any of your friends directly on Instagram or other social media platforms. At the bottom, tap on Add to Story. Now you can simply tap on Post. And that is how to share reels on Instagram Story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.